You got time for another people want to know?
Oh boy, what is time? Oh, you caught me again. Okay, what are we doing?
So, the people want to know.
All right. And where is this from? Instagram, YouTube, where is this streaming from?
From all socials.
Okay.
The people want to know, housekeepers bringing their own vacuum. Good idea or bad idea?
No, it's a bad idea.
Why?
Well, there's a couple reasons, caveats, whatever you want to call it, to that. One, you don't know where those vacuum cleaners have been. You may have allergies or some type of condition to where that vacuum could have been used in a home with pets, and then it's coming into a home that doesn't have pets. You don't know how clean each home is that you're going into and coming out of, and then you're bringing that vacuum into another home, and then essentially, say a dog had an accident on the carpet and that vacuum cleaner ran over that, and then they're bringing it into your home and then spreading that all over your carpet. That's just one instance. And then you've got the filters, blowing skin cells and dirt all over your home. So I always say, you have a good vacuum, you have a housekeeper, great, they use your machine.
So tell me about the importance of why your vacuum should be maintained every year.
Maintenance on a vacuum cleaner is crucial to the longevity of the materials in your home, as well as the longevity of the vacuum cleaner itself. Every vacuum cleaner has filters. If you're using a bagless machine, the lungs of that vacuum are the filters. If you have a bagged vacuum cleaner, the bag is basically the lung, catches all the debris, and then the filters are the after effects. But the importance of doing that is you're going to get full, let's say, airflow and suction, and the machine's going to work new out of the box every year. So that way we started here and then we worked our way down because of suction, airflow, they're blowing dirt, dander, stuff like that. So maintenance on a vacuum cleaner needs to be done at least once a year. If you don't have dogs and cats, you might be able to go 1.5 to 2 years. You can do some of the recommendations per the owner's manual of the vacuum, but maintenance is key. Is there any other points you want me to hit on that? Because it's kind of a very broad spectrum when it comes to vacuum maintenance. Every vacuum cleaner that we sell here, we offer free lifetime service on any vacuum cleaner. You can even get enrolled in that program if you didn't buy it here. You guys know that we customer ship vacuum cleaners to us every day all across the country. So that is a perk of shopping with us.
So if anybody else had any more questions, where can they reach us?
As you all always say, we love to send us a text message, send us a DM, give us a call, shoot us an email, because that's what we love to do.
Well, thank you for enlightening us.
Absolutely.
About what people want to know.
You caught me off again.